In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Trello board to other Trello workspaces. Whether you're reorganizing your projects or consolidating your workflow, transferring a board to the right workspace is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, navigate to your Trello board. Once your board is open and visible on your screen, you'll notice a three dots icon situated in the top right corner. This icon is your gateway to more options and settings related to your board. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu brimming with various functionalities and settings you can adjust. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Clicking this option will direct you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your board's configuration. Now that you're in the settings, you'll see the current workspace name your board is associated with. This is usually displayed prominently, so it should be easy to find. Next, click on the name of your Trello workspace that appears. Doing so will activate a drop-down menu. This drop-down menu is crucial as it allows you to select the new workspace you'd like to move your board to. Scroll through the options if needed and choose the workspace that you have in mind. Selecting it will prepare the transfer process. Once you've selected the desired Trello workspace from the drop-down, you'll see an option to change. Clicking this will finalize your selection. It's the confirmation step that instructs Trello to move the board from one workspace to another. And there you have it. Your board is now live in the new workspace you specified. This change means that all the information and tasks associated with the board are retained, but the board itself now resides in a different organizational area. Remember, this is a great way to keep your projects organized and ensure they're all under the right umbrella. This process doesn't copy your board. It simply changes its workspace location, ensuring that all your data, updates, and team collaborations travel seamlessly to its new home. Now you can continue managing your projects efficiently across distinct workspaces with ease. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide helps you streamline your Trello experience and keeps your projects running smoothly. If you have any other Trello tips or topics you'd like us to cover, be sure to let us know. Until next time, happy organizing with Trello.